Got a thing down to the floor. I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, it's celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more.
Okay, so I've already done my brows and concealed my eyelids because you have to do that for the eyeshadow. Or I have to do that. And now I'm going to take this Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. I don't know, is this like a number or something? It probably is too old. But I'm going to use this.
Why does it always seem like I'm moving backwards? Caught up in a dream, everybody's actors. Why does it always seem like people change faces?
Okay, so now it looks super crazy, but hopefully this is not the result. But now I'm going to take this kind of reddish burgundy color and put at the corner of my eyes. I'm just using this Real Techniques brush. It's a little bit smaller, so it's perfect for the corner where I don't want to be this messy.
Yeah. Don't need all the answers, just tell me what life is for. One day I'ma wake up with a reaper at the door. Don't need all the answers, just say anything at all. I've been praying for a minute, I've been waiting on your call. Oh, don't need all the answers, just tell me what life is for. One day I'm...
Okay, so I'm putting it in my crease too, because just putting it at the corner looks kind of crazy, so I'm trying to blend the color in.
I've been waiting on your call. Oh, yeah. I've been waiting on your...
Okay, so now I'm going to cut the inner corner of my eyes with this concealer. It's this hiiii concealer. And I'm just going to place a little bit on my hand. And then I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics in number 8 and cut the crease, or not the crease, the corner. No, not the corner. And then I'm going to cut the inner corner with a concealer.
Oh, yeah. I've been so patient with you, don't you know? I've been so down with you, and you know it. You never come around, and I show it. Just give me one chance right now, and I won't blow.
So I'm actually going to apply this lipstick. It's Nordic Cap of Sweden lipstick, just because I love this color. It's a very red-ish color, a little bit of a darker red. And I'm going to place it where I placed the concealer, and then I'm going to blend with the dark red that I used at the beginning. And then I'm going to use the dark red as I used in the beginning. But I'm not just going to apply some lipstick onto my eyes. I'm going to use this brush, BH Cosmetics number 7, and take a small amount on the brush each time.
Don't need all the answers, just say anything at all. I've been praying for a minute, I've been waiting on your call. Oh, I've been waiting on you, yeah. I've been waiting on your call. Oh.
Okay, so now I'm going to take this red color that I used in the beginning, and place it at the corner and kind of blend in, because it looks very bright and I want to be very dark eyeshadow, so I'm going to blend this a little bit carefully. So I'm not exactly done with the eyes. I feel like I want another shade on my lower lash line. I think it looks a little bit boring. I'm thinking I'm going to use this dark blue eyeshadow and put on my lower lash line with a small brush.
And don't you know I'm living in shadow? Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know?
The last step to do on my eyeshadow is I'm going to do like a eyeliner thing, but with some eyeshadow. Not really an eyeliner, just like a smoky line. I don't know what this is, but I'm so good at explaining. So I'm just gonna use this small brush from Real Techniques and put some black eyeshadow as an eyeliner.
Yes, I did.
Okay, so now I'm done with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on my other eye. I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and remove all the fallout.
I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you?
I'm finally done with the other eye. It took a little bit of time, but now I'm gonna apply some mascara and put some false lashes on. Also do my base. Like, ugh, that's so boring, guys. To do that all the time is not the funniest thing in the world. As always, I'm going to use my Ardell lashes that I love, that I use all the time. I've already put lashes on this eye, and I'm tearing up right now. Ugh, oh my god. And I don't have any paper, so I'm just casually using my shirt. Okay, so now I'm just taking this makeup wipe and taking off all my foundation and stuff that's on my lips. It's kind of gross, but yeah. For lips, I'm going to use this lip liner to put all over my lips. It's a very dark brown color. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm done with this video, with this look. Yeah, this is how the lips turned out. Very dark, very fallish. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you want to, and follow me on Instagram. But until I make another video, you guys take care.